Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is intraday for the Nasdaq and the SPX to see what happened and what it might happen next. So we saw a pump today as expected. We were expecting, of course, a wave at 3 toward the upside, and it has started to unfold here as a 1-2 potentially. And we already, by the way, we already took anyway the high. So I would say that the wave 3 has already been taken even. So basically, I would say that the wave 3 can be done despite this red here that it is moving down very fast. Let's check it on the 15-minute chart to see what's going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, wave 2 very shallow. Wave 4 is moving very low. Is it something related to news? Well, basically it can be. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, if there is an invalidation here, so this wave 1, meaning invalidation of bullish, when you take it, therefore it's done. Okay, 22k 750. But internally, this can be simply an impulse, meaning ABC can be also. But yeah, I would like to see a full impulse here because you got the A, you got the B. You need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what the hell is going on? Yeah, we don't know. But basically, the wave 3 has been taken here. So I would say, yeah, there is a possibility for continuation for this diagonal. But preferably, of course, to see one more wave 5. Yeah, so otherwise, it's of course very weird to call it like a zigzag. It might be turning into WX and a Y because this is finishing as 3 waves, right? It's not allowed. So therefore, now the shape looks perfect as a zigzag, but internally the structure not finished. However, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is still, of course, a potential scenario. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Preferably to get one more high, guys, for a wave 5 here. So basically everything's still working well. Now, if we get invalidation, what would happen? What it would be the possibility, the next one. If we take this for invalidation, therefore we have to take it as WX and a Y, and potentially here a longer correction might be unfolding, and it can be, yeah, it start to turning to something as triangle, guys, rather than diagonal. And that might be A, B, and a C, D. Wow, yeah, but we took the D right now. We cannot call it a triangle even, sorry. We just took it because it would be somehow like this, but yeah, this is not possible now. So there is no other possibility rather than being an ABC, okay? Even triangle is not possible. I'm trying to holding the price there, but it looks like if this invalidation is gonna be taken, we're gonna face a massive down trend here. And it might be either the A, B, and a C, or potentially W, X, and a Y. Yeah, so there is no other possibility here. Yep, that is for Nasdaq. Let's see the SPX. For the SPX, what we are looking at here on the 15-minute chart is also a move toward the upside, but of course it looks like a zigzag. We were expecting a wave 5, meaning at least taking the high here as a wave 5 would be much more than enough, right? 3, 4, and a 5, and then 4 and a 5. But this did not happen, and definitely this is not an impulse because we got invalidation. Therefore, something corrective is unfolding here, and I'm afraid to shift, of course, here this whole thing into a diagonal. So into a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this might be, of course, a big wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We're gonna see, of course. But invalidation here on the SPX has been already taken, I would say. So, or not yet. Yes, it is taken. It is taken. This is your wave 1. So just taken right now. Very interesting, but yeah, I mean, I prefer to see simply higher prices. That's crazy. What's going on in the market? I'm not sure, but if we still can get something like this, it's a little bit hard. Whether also diagonal can be a possibility. Well, can be. Yeah, this is a possibility. This is a possibility, guys. Sorry, I'm thinking because the price is very weird right now. But this is a possibility that it might happen here. that you might get a diagonal somehow like that. So what if we have a 1 2 1 2, wave 3, wave 4, and that the wave 5 is unfolding? This one is unfolding as diagonal. Can be as well. Okay, guys, can be. So yep, that is a possibility. This is the next priority and next possible scenario. Okay, because of the zigzag. Unless we see simply higher prices, but let's move inside it to see. I mean, 1 2 3 4 5. So definitely, if in case that is a wave 1, this is your wave 1 here, and this has been taken already. Yeah, invalidated. So zigzag. That was it, guys, for the SPX. So let's watch this diagonal. Basically, if we move for lower, okay, if we move for lower, it is possible even that this diagonal can expand even for more. And this wave, yeah, if we take it lower, maybe we're gonna extend the wave 4 and then start again toward the upside. But don't forget, again, the wave 4 is not allowed to get the 6,187. Meaning if we move down, it might take the low, but if you take the 6,187, this is invalidation of bullish, okay? Meaning there is no impulse here. Everything is turning corrective, and this whole thing is gonna be a zigzag, okay? So yeah, finally, we get something complicated on SPX and Nasdaq, but basically, I would say, yeah, the first priority right now is to test the diagonal, okay, toward the upside for wave 5, because this is a zigzag formation. If the diagonal fails and we take this low, you're gonna watch the 6,187. If taken, therefore, okay, this is a zigzag here, and we are shifting to a big 1 2 3 4 and a 5 toward the upside. Simply like that, guys. That is the next plan. That was it for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.